In this video, we're hooking up Azure Custom Vision with EAM. Remember that last video where we built the project in Azure? Well, now it's showtime inside EAM. We jump into work orders, feed in the basic data so EAM stays happy. And yes, you know how picky it can be. Next, we add a short description, choose our horse from the list, and then head over to the document field. That's where we upload a photo, because without a picture, there's nothing for the AI to analyze. It's quick, simple, and feels almost like adding an attachment to an email. For the document, we also add a code, a short description, and of course the photo. I'll make the picture a bit larger so you can clearly see the injury, no hiding from the AI. Back to the work order, hit save, and the workflow fires up. The document goes to Azure, gets analyzed, and the result back into EAM. As soon as the injury is detected, the system immediately asks the obvious question: should we call the vet? Now we play the game again with another photo, just to show that it really works. And honestly, the principle is super simple. The image is streamed straight from EAM through the Extensible Framework to Azure, and the response comes right back. No local file handling, no extra hassle. Everything happens in a single web service request to Azure Custom Vision. The percentages instantly show how confident the result is. All right, with that in place, let's take a quick look at the core functions of our Extensible Framework script. And here are the key functions inside our Extensible Framework script. Auto trigger or button click, stream image to Azure, write result to UTF-Note 01. And that's it for this demo. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.